Hello everyone. So today we will learn how to make a Twitter bot from scratch. Okay. So here is our code. We will make Twitter bot in Python. Okay. So in this we will use a library called Tweepy. It's also a Python library. We'll show how to install and make this bot. Before this we need credentials like this, and for that we need to make a Twitter developer account. Let me show you how to make it. Like you just need to go developer.twitter.com, and here you just need to sign in and apply for the your application, developer application. Okay, so here you will see there is like few question about your use cases. Like you need to describe your full use cases. It may take 48 hours to accept your account. Accept your account, or else if your account have no any issues, then it will be it will be approved in a few minutes. Okay, let me show you. I have a approved account. Yeah, here it is. So you can see this is a fresh Twitter account. Let me show you. I just used a fresh Twitter account and taken approval on this. Okay, after approving your account, you just need to go to apps. Okay, and here you need to create an app. Okay, so you need to like name your app. Okay, like I'm mad overs. Yes, I am making a Twitter bot for you. Application description, you need to write everything very okay. So here you can write share description of your app in description. So this will good best to okay. This account is to share knowledge. Okay, to share knowledge, you can write anything whatever you feels good for your app. Okay, so if you have any website, then it's okay. If you don't have any website, you just type any name, it will accept. Okay, so now here you need 200 characters. Like I had make one, I just put it that, like okay. So this one is for like it will be handled by employees of Twitter. Like just you need to click on create. Okay, so here you can see these are some clause you need to see and check. Yeah, before this you need to know their automation rules. You need to check out that their automation rules, and you don't need to spam. So from here you will get everything. In keys and tokens you will receive your like keys and credentials. I will not gonna show you that, but you need to check, and here you need to paste everything. Okay, you will get everything from there only. Get every keys from here. I am not gonna show it right now. Yeah, so after that I just made a GitHub repo for this. Let me show you. Okay, so yeah, you can see here it's a Twitter bot. For first, if you are a new user, you just need to go to your terminal and paste this in here I am using VS Code. You can use any IDE whichever you prefer. Like if I going to install this, so it will take few minutes. Okay, so you need to you just need to check out this ones. Like here automation rules are there, and finally we'll deploy this app in like Heroku. Okay, you also need to create an account, free account on Heroku. It will gives you free subscription till 5 or 6 apps. Okay, so let me check. Internet connection is a bit slow, I think. Okay, so yeah, it's collecting data. Let it be. So yeah, it's finally done. Okay guys, so I am pasted my credentials. So here you can see the codes, okay, like import Tweepy, then from time to import slip, and from credentials you can see a credential file. You need to import all everything, okay. So now here you need to do some changes. If you want your bot should like the tweet, you can the particular hashtag tweet, then you just need to do true or false. And if you want to follow the user who is tweeting, so you can just do it true. I am keeping it false. And then here is a main point, like here you need to select your hashtags. As I have mentioned 3 hashtags, you can do with 1 or 2, whatever you want. Like I am doing 3 hashtags. So, and here you selected a language English. Then you just need to go below, yeah, and here you need to do changes. Like if you want to make it slower, as I have mentioned 300 means 300 seconds, means it will take 300 seconds after one tweet, then next one, to do next one. So here will make a delay of 300 seconds. You can make it lesser, but remember, if you make it very less, then Twitter may ban your account, okay. So let's check, is it working or not. Python sorry, yeah. So yeah, you can see it's tweeting. Let me check it's working or not. Okay. Yeah, so you can see 42 seconds here it's working. As you can see, hashtag is stocks, okay. As we discussed, it's working on the particular hashtags. Oh sorry, like yeah. So let me check it again, it's working or not. So yeah, it's working fine. Like next, let me check it again. Let's refresh the page. So yeah, it's working. You can see the again tweet has been done. So yeah, you can refer this. This is a public repo which I had created to refer for your reference, so you can see and check everything whatever you need from here. And but I will do everything on my private repo, cause I can't show my credentials to everyone. So it needs to be private, so I have just made a private repo. You also need to make a private repo if you want to make this, okay. So we just made a Heroku. We have just do changes on Heroku. You need to just go to Heroku and like you need to create a new app. I just created a new app, made over shares, and everything will be fine. You just need to go resources and deploy, and yeah, we need to deploy this. So we'll choose GitHub Connect. Yeah, so here I have already connected my GitHub account. I just need to put my shares, SHARES. I just will click on this. Yeah, so you can see it's accessing my private repo. So it will take few seconds. Yeah, it's done. You just need to enable this. Yeah, it's enabled. It will done what it will done, like whenever you make changes in your repo, it will automatically deploy, okay. So here you can select branch, but my every code in my master, you just need to click on deploy branch, okay. So yeah, you can see here is a error, like you need to select build plans, build pack. So what we need to do, like just go to settings, okay, go to settings and go here you can select a build pack, add build pack, and you select your language which you are using, save changes, okay. So here you can see Python has been there, and now again you can just go and click on deploy branch. Now yeah, again it is showing some issues. So now what is the issue, I will tell you. Like if you want to deploy anything on Heroku, you need to have 3 more files. let me show you what are there. Like one is like you need to have a runtime.txt, one requirements.txt, and one is proc file. Okay, so let me show you how to make a requirement.txt. So pip freeze greater than symbol requirements.txt. Okay, so yeah, here you can see the file has been made. It's just working. Yeah, it's done. Okay, so now and one more file we need, like it was runtime.txt, runtime.txt. Okay, so what will be there, it's here you just need to have a Python version. Check your Python version. What is your Python version? Mine is, I think, 3.8 or something like. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so mine is Python 3.8.2. we just need to put this file here. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so and one more file you will need, like it will be proc file. Okay, proc file. So it will, how it will do proc file, you just need to select proc file. As you can see, it's showing. So here what you need to do, like you need to write just worker, 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 and the symbol worker, and Python you need to write as like this, as I am writing bot.py. Okay, so you can see, sorry, yeah, bot.py, and everything is fine. Like what you need to do now, you just need to go just here, sorry, not here, like yeah, here you need to select these files and drag it and just drop here. Okay, let me just commit. You can see it's taking few seconds. Yeah, it's done, almost done. So now you just need to go here and click on deploy branch again. Now let's check how it's working. Push failed. Okay, requested runtime Python is available. This tag anything more support related to that fail. It's not. So yeah, here you can see, like there was an issue with like Python version. I just changed the Python version 3.8 to 3.8.1, like it's working now fine. Here you can see the document. Here is some issues with Python 3.8.2. like I just changed the version 3.8.1. now it's deployed. Okay, so it's deployed now. We are almost done. Activities you can check here. So it's deployed. So now what you need to do, you just need to go here and in dyno information, configure dynos, you just need to click, and you just need to press like this and open this and confirm. Okay, so now we are confirmed. So just we need to go on activities, not activities, let me show you. Yeah, view logs. Okay, just so yeah, you can see now it's working fine. Okay, now it's successfully deployed, and you will see here it started tweeting. As you can see, let me show you. Yeah, it's tweeting. Okay, so it's working fine.